Now I'm gonna lift carbon wheels, pure carbon. It's not even clear coated. It's just polished raw carbon, not even clear coat. And without a wheel this time. It's super light. It weighs nothing. And so I bought 4 of these wheels for my Agera, so I will change these heavy ones. So I have a bit lighter wheels on my Agera for the summer. You cannot drive around with small. Very easy, very easy. Have wondered the weight of this pure carbon wheel, and it actually says here if you have using the metric system it's 6,572 grams for the rim itself, so that means 6.572 kilos, so it's super light and much stronger than your regular alloy wheel, and it's I believe like a huge performance gain because the unsprung weight decreases incredible, or a lot with this. So it's really beautiful. So the heavy part here is the wheel or the tire itself, the Michelin Super Sport regular tire. So it's not like your track optimized tire. It's a regular Michelin Super Sport. So it's not even cut or R tire. Beautiful work. I can see it's quite wide as well. The dimensions is like 345, 13, 20-inch wheels. So it's a huge tire, but it's not that heavy at all. And this is a must on the car, I would say. Here's the Koenigsegg luggage set that's really like smells, or really smells quality and leather, and as all high quality luggage sets, of course you have for your over here, of course, but you have for your suit. So you open this up, you can fold your suit down in your Koenigsegg. How many hypercars could you fold down your suit in your luggage set? Very nice.